In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Squarespace website with anybody despite not having clicked publish yet. And it's really simple to do. What I have on screen right now is just a demo website that I've created. As you can see, this is a demo website that is not published yet. And I've just got some more demo content just down below. So what you're going to need to do is actually go over to the settings cog over here on the left-hand side of your Squarespace website and go ahead and click that. And then you're going to want to go over to site availability. And as you can see, we've got a couple of options here. Obviously, we've got the upgrade to publish your website. So this is where you would connect a domain to it and actually put it live on the internet. But maybe our website isn't finished yet and we want to share it with a client or somebody we're working with on the website and things like that. At the moment, it's currently only set to private, so only contributors can actually see the site. So maybe a client wouldn't be able to see this. And obviously we don't want to click publish because we don't want to actually put it live yet. So what we actually want to do is go ahead and click password protected. And then we can go ahead and just set a password. In this case, I'm just going to use the password of all passwords. And then I'm going to go ahead and click save. Now, to be able to actually share the link to the website, all we need to do is go ahead and come back to our Squarespace website. And it's this URL up here, apart from the config bit on the end, that we actually want to be taking and copying. So let's go ahead and take this and let's go ahead and copy this URL. And what I'm going to do is open up a incognito window just so we know that we're not logged into any other Squarespace web designer. So this would be exactly how our client would see it. And let's go ahead and click paste. And then what that's going to bring up is our password screen, and we can pop in our very generic password, which is password, and click on that. And then what that is going to do is take us to our Squarespace website. I've actually gone through to a different page here, but if I click demo, we can see that we're on our demo page and it's not been published yet. And we can share this link here with any kind of client or anybody that we want to preview this website to. Hope this video helped. And if there are any other tutorials that you want to see on Squarespace web design, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to make a video on it.